class? Okay, we're going to play the game, so sit down please and listen. Vale, today we are gonna do just one. Today we're gonna do an egg hunt. What is an egg hunt?
Both sides, but I couldn't find my own place. Caught a pet child, 'cause I got too wild, but
You are gonna find one egg each, un huevo cada uno, and you have all this area to find the eggs. In total, 25. Only one. If you do it right, you will get an extra egg at the end. Okay, you have to find 21 eggs. 21 eggs. Yes. One egg each. Un segundo. Your letter fit until over there. Can you see the sign? Toda a zona do fondo da portería ata o final é dende o cartel, aí. A zona verde. In the grass. This is sixth grade. Este es de sexto. Vosotros tenéis las vallas ahí.
Like the girl they all see. No more hiding, I'll be shining.
Third. You will have to find your eggs. Over there. Ahí, desde esa zona de árboles.
and we're turning the floor into a zoo. We live in a crazy world, caught up in a rat race. Concrete jungle life is sometimes a mad place. It's you and me